Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, where we explore the latest trends in fashion and style. Today's video is all about women's footwear for 2025. Specifically, we shall dive into stiletto high heels, moles, and sandals. Shoes are not just accessories, they are a statement and extension of your personality and the foundation of a great outfit. This year, we are seeing a fascinating mix of bold creativity and timeless elegance in shoe designs, from innovative heel shapes to eco friendly materials. There's something for everyone, so grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and join me as we explore the hottest shoes trends for 2025, how to style them, and tips to care for your collection. Let's step into it. Let's start with the queen of all shoes, stiletto high heels. These timeless classics are getting a modern makeover in 2025. Here's what's trending. Bold colors and patterns. Say goodbye to plain black stilettos and hello to vibrant shades like Fuchsia, electric blue, and emerald green. Animal prints, geometric designs, and ombre effects are also in. Innovative heels. Designers are experimenting with spectral and asymmetrical heel shapes. Think heels that look like art pieces, cover designs, metallic finishes, and even crystal studded heels. Mixed material leathers. Leathers combined with transparent PVC or stone with metallic accents creates a unique and luxurious look. How to style stilettos for an evening event. Pair metallic stilettos with the sleek cocktail dress. For work, nude or pastel stilettos work perfectly with tailored trousers or pencil skirt. Add a pop of color to casual outfits by pairing bold stilettos with jeans and a crisp white shirt. Pro tip: walking in stiletto can be challenging, especially if you are new to them. Practice on a carpeted surface. Keep your posture straight and invest in cushion inserts to reduce foot footage. Next, let's talk about moles, the versatile shoes that are making waves this year. Moles are known for their easy of wear, and 2025 designs take them to the next level. Trading designs. Square 2 moles. This easy design is back and better than ever. Look for moles with intricate straps or bold embellishments. Black heels. Comfort is key, and black heeled moles provide the perfect balance of height and support. Textured fabrics, suede velvet, and woven materials add a rich texture to your footwear collections. How to style moles for a casual day out. Pair flat moles with cropped jeans and a floyd blouse. For a formal occasions, heeled moles in metallic tones or embellished designs look stunning with dresses or tailored jumpsuits. Add a boho touch of styling woven moles with maxi dresses and floral prints. Pro tip: moles are great transitional shoes for spring and fall. Keep your toenails well groomed to complete the polished look. Sandals are the ultimate go-to shoes for comfort and style, and the 2025 designs are anything but boring. Top trends in sandals. Strappy sandals, thin delicate straps are dominating the sandal scenes. Look for multi-straps designs in bold colors or metallic finishes. Chunky soles. Platform sandals and platforms are perfect for adding height without compromising on comfort. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainable fashion is a big trend this year. Sandals made from recycled materials, vegan, leather, or natural fibers are gaining pro- popularity. How to style sandals? For a beach, we pair strappy sandals with a flowy maxi dress or a shorts and a tank top. Platform sandals look great with wide-legged trousers or A-line skirts. For a night out, opt for heeled sandals with shimmering details and pair them with a little bag dresses. Pro tip: always ensure your sandals fit well. Straps that are too tight can cause discomfort, while loose straps may lead to blisters. 2025 is not just about individual styles, it's about blending trends to create unique looks. Here are some exciting emerging trends. Spectral heels, heels shaped like spears, spirals, or abstract art pieces are taking center stage. Transparent elements, shoes with clear straps, heels, or accents create a futuristic minimalist with jewelry inspired designs. Shoes adorned with pearls, rhinestones, and chain details are perfect for special occasions. These trends allow you to experiment and express your personality through your footwear. To keep your shoes looking their best, proper care is essential. Here are some tips. Cleaning: use a damp cloth for our leather shoes, a suede brush for our suede, and mild soap for our synthetic materials. Storage: store your shoes in a cool, dry place. Use shoes trees to maintain their shapes and keep them in dust bags to prevent scorches. Protections: use waterproof sprays for leathers and suede to protect against moistures. Repairs: do not hesitate to take your shoes to a cobbler for our sole repairs, heel replacements, or journal upkeep. Your ultimate destination for everything chic and stylish. In today's video, we are exploring the fantastic world of women's footwear trends for 2025. Shoes are more than just a fashion accessory, they are an extension of your personality, a statement of who you are, and of course, a tool to conquer the world one step at a time. From Java dropping stiletto high heels to the effortless charm of moles and the versatile of sandals, we shall take you on an exciting journey to discover this year's newest designs, standout styles, and innovative trends. Whether you are a fashionista, a shoe collector, or simply looking to upgrade your wardrobe, this is your guide to staying ahead in 2025. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of footwear. Glitter and metallics. Metallic finishes in gold, silver, and rose gold are dominating runways, paired with sparkling embellishments like rhinestones and skeins. These heels are perfect for making a statement at evening events. Gone are the days of simple stiletto heels. In 2025, we are seeing spectral artistic designs that transform heels into works of art. Think geometric shapes, spectral designs, and even abstract spectral has the focal point. Platforms are making a huge comeback, offering extra height without compromising comfort. These heels are a nod to the retro vibes of the 17s with a modern twist. Vibrant reds, electric blues, and animal prints like zebra and leopard are stealing the show. Pair these bold designs with neutral outfits to let your heels shine. Stilettos can instantly elevate your look, whether paired with a sleek pencil skirt, tailored pantsuit, or a glamorous evening gown. They are perfect for weddings, parties, and formal events, making them a must-have in every wardrobe. Next up, we have the effortlessly stylish moles. Known for their easy slap-on designs, moles have become a go-to option for women who value both comfort and elegance. Chunky heels, moles with think chunky heels are taking center stage this year. These designs offer maximum comfort while maintaining a chic modern vibe. Texture materials from woven leather to suede and velvet textures molds are all the rage. These materials add depth and dimensions, making them perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Pointed toe molds are making a strong comeback, adding a sleek and sophisticated touch to your look. They are perfect for office wear or a night out. Feminine and romantic floral embroidery on molds is a standout trend. Pair these with the simple dress or jeans to create a balanced, eye-catching suit. Pastel shades, soft pastel hues like lavender, might green, and bluish pink are dominating the mall scenes in 2025. These colors are versatile and add a touch of elegance to any ensembles. Malls are incredibly versatile, whether you are heading to branch, the office, or a casual outing. There's a mall designs for every occasion. Now let's talk about sandals, the ultimate choice for comfort and style during warmer months in 2025. Sandals are more creative and versatile than ever. Lace up sandals inspired by gladiator styles. Lace up sandals are making a strong comeback. These designs add a touch of drama and pair beautifully with short dresses or skirt. Perfect for casual sporty looks, sandals with chunky soles are both practical and trendy. These are great for long walks or relaxed outings. Mixed material designers are experimenting with a mix of materials like leather, suede, and metallic. These embellishments add a unique luxury feel to everyday sandals. From neon greens to vibrant orange, bold colors are a key trend in 2025 sandals. These shades add a fun, playful vibe to any outfit. Stiletto pair bold colored stilettos with monochrome outfits to let your shoes take center stage. Add a matching culotte for a polished look. Style postal molds with cropped jeans and an oversized blazer for a chic, effortless vibe. This year, we are seeing a fantastic mix of bold creativity and timeless elegance in shoe design, for innovative heel shapes to eco-friendly. That was up today. Deep dive into the top shoe trends for 2025, from stunning stilettos. With the timeless favorite stiletto high heels, there are a sample of grace, power, and undeniable confidence. In 2025, stilettos are evolving with bold, innovative designs that combine in classic elegance with futuristic flair. This year, we are seeing a shortage in transparent materials, including PVC and Arlac. These see-through stiletto add a modern, minimalist touch to any outfit designs, or pairing clear straps with bold, colorful soles for a striking construct. Metallic finishes in gold, silver, and rose pollard Now that you know the trends, let's talk about how to style these stunning shoes. Pair bold color stilettos with charm accessory like anklets, O-rings, and statement bags can further enhance your look. Remember, it's all about confidence and how are you carry yourself. Investing in stylish footwear means taking care of them. Here's how to keep your shoes looking their best. Clean them regularly with suitable products. Store them in dust bags or boxes to prevent stretches. Use shoe insert to maintain their shapes. And that's a wrap on your ultimate guide to women's footwear trends for stilettos. 2025's moles and sandals are more than just shoes. They are an exploration of your style and personality. Which trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more exciting updates on the latest fashion.